Hello everyone, this is Isha here and I'm here with another video on self-care, which is gratitude journaling. So gratitude is an emotion which is similar to acknowledgement, appreciation and thankfulness. Based on positive psychology research, it was found that if you count your blessings daily, your mind gets conditioned to look for the good in everything around you. So I thought, why not give it a try? So I got a product from Amazon which is a gratitude journal. Although I was not consistent with it earlier, but I do want to make it a daily practice. So let's just take a quick look at how this gratitude journal looks and how we can use it. So guys, this is SR Supple Room Gratitude Journal which I got from Amazon for INR 7.99. This is the box which contains the gratitude journal, and even the box has so many cute doodles on it. It's all colorful. So let's just take a quick look at our gratitude journal now. So this is the gratitude journal from Supple Room. It has similar cute doodles on it. This is a blue heart cover and it says a grateful heart is a magnet for miracles. It's quite nice. The quality feels very good. It has this elastic band at the back as well for you to make it take it everywhere you want to go to. So let's take a quick look at what's inside. This is an intro page, so you can doodle yourself here and mention your qualities if you would want to. It's a small note from Supple Room team. And it has a cute quote as well. Gratitude also opens your eyes to the limitless potential of the universe, while dissatisfaction closes your eyes to it. Stephen Richards. So it's actually quite meaningful. Now, I would recommend you to read this message yourself. You could pause and read this, or you could buy this and read it. And it's very motivating. So yes, there's another important quote here which I really liked. In life, one has a choice to take one of two paths: to wait for some special day or to celebrate each special day. And this is a very beautiful quote and a very meaningful one as well. So okay, first and foremost, don't forget to keep yourself hydrated, make time for you today, celebrate tiny victories, keep smiling, get some fresh air, exercise. These are so many good habits which we should build. And the next one says how to use this journal. So actually this talks about how you would want to take out at least 10 to 15 minutes a day and just stay away from any social media or social devices, and then sit down and mindfully think about how to write whatever you want to write on this journal. So it's very important to actually take those 15 minutes out every day for you to focus on this, and it's really going to help you. So yes, think happy thoughts and they will shine room from your face like sunbeams. So there are a lot of cute and motivating quotes after a few pages, after every few pages if you see, and those are really very motivating. There are a lot of fun self-care exercises as well in between. So I'll be walking you through this. It's actually, just before we proceed, it's an undated journal. So you would notice that you could actually write the dates or where the places are, and it actually allows you to doodle anything you want or write anything you want. It gives you a whole space to do whatever you wish to. And yeah, it's an A5 size book. So, and it also has 170 pages approximately. So you could use this for around 5 to 6 months of gratitude journaling. And because it has a lot of fun-filled exercises as well. So yeah, it's definitely something which will work for you for around 5 to 6 months. Only thing which you should remember is that it's not a returnable item in Amazon. So only during exceptional cases, like say if it's a damaged product or a wrong item has been delivered, you can return this. Otherwise, it's a non-returnable product. So let's take a quick look. So the thing about this journal which I like the most is that it has a lot of colorful pages in it and different designs on each of these pages. So say this one says today I'm grateful for, and this one is also saying the same thing but in a different colors, different doodles. So it actually makes it a bit attractive and it motivates me to do. So I'll tell you my personal story that I really like if the things are colorful. I love to get engaged to it. So I'm not sure if everyone likes that or if you like more simplistic approach to this. But I really love when the things which I'm doing are more colorful. So yeah. So things you love doing. Again, gratitude pages over here. So as I mentioned, there are a lot of different ways how you can note your gratitude, and yeah, it really helps people feel more positive emotions when you write those gratitudes, right? So it really improves your health. It gives you a stronger self-control, deal with adversity, and it helps build strong relationships with others as well, because you when writing down these gratitudes, you also recognize the people who are in your life and you build a long lasting positive relationship with them. And see, so cute these all are. Seek magic every day. So as I mentioned, the self-care exercises are also there in between. So after every few pages, you will see what are your priorities in life, focus on good things, list those good things, then tell me something about your day. So these are a few exercises as part of this gratitude journal, and you would have many others as well. Note what's bothering you, draw little things that make you happy. So it actually motivates you to reflect on yourself and note those points down, and then you can come back to it and see, okay, this is something which I should be doing now because I'm not feeling good. This is something which helps. This is something which I should work on, or this is something which is already good and I have so many things to thank God for. So why am I even worried? So it basically, because see, problems would still exist, but this gratitude journaling helps to focus your energy on the solutions rather than focusing your energy on our fears and to looking at just the problems. It helps you to focus your attention and your energy on solving those problems. So you'll start seeing the bright side of the things, and it definitely becomes easier for you to think about positive experiences when you do this, follow this activity daily. So as part of the gratitude journaling, right, what all things can you write? So say basically if you have a roof over your head. So that's also something which many people don't. And I'm not asking you to compare yourself to others. I'm just saying that you need to focus and you need to think of things which, if say you wouldn't have those things, how would you feel about it? Do you feel relieved because you have it? Only then this gratitude exercise is actually fruitful. Otherwise, it's not that you just write those things and then you don't even mean it. So you have to mean it. And when would you mean it is when you would imagine your life without that particular thing or that particular person or that particular place. So how would you feel about your life if that piece of thing or that person or that place is not with you. You don't have that. So would you feel relieved or would you feel unsettled? In case you feel that okay, it's very good if you feel relieved that you have it, then it means that it's definitely something which you want to note it as gratitude. It's a lot. It's a very beautiful and a colorful gratitude journaling book, and it's definitely useful. It's apt, precise, and it's creatively designed. So yes, it's definitely inspirational. So here we have a habit tracker. This habit tracker is going to allow you to actually track any new habits which you're trying to build or any existing habits which you're trying to remove, right? So that definitely you could track over here. So there are around 8 pages in it, and with 6 habits on each of these pages which you can track. And again, it's all beautiful and colorful. This is actually very interesting. So you can also track your mood, say at a specific time every day. How do you feel at that time? You can also, if you want, you can also use the same smileys. You can create your own, or you can also mention a specific time at which you want to track this daily, or you can also mention it against these smileys, say over here along with the date, if you want to track it by date, or if you want to track it by time. So you can do that as well, because it has again 4 pages of mood tracker in it, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, so it has 112 entries in it, and out of those 112, so this helps you to actually reflect back on the results. So how many of those 112 days were you actually happy? How many were average? How many were sad, irritated, or excited? So the one which has the highest count is the winner, and that's definitely something which you would want to track, so that you can analyze where is it going wrong, which so yeah, see, give your feedback about the mood that you're in most of the time. Would you like to change it? If not, why? If yes, why, and what would you do to change it? And again, some beautiful quote: the more grateful I am, the more beauty I see. And that's true. Actually, that's very, very true. And yes, this is something which is very important. So after you're done with this whole exercise, right, of following it for a period of time, when you're near to completing this book, how did this book help you in making any positive changes in your life? So you could really think upon it, and if you would really notice some changes, and I'm sure you would, you can note those down, so that this would then motivate you to continue this habit for the coming months as well. So yeah, so that was it for today, guys. I hope you liked this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share, and subscribe to my channel. See you later. Take care. Bye bye.